Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you about order of adjectives. This is our fourth chapter. Before going to know that which adjective should be placed at first, we have to know that what is it. Adjective is a word which qualify noun or pronoun. Adjective is a word which qualify noun or pronoun. You are looking, this is known as adjective, and in the example you are looking, she is a good girl. So good is what? Good is adjective. Okay, I think you have understood. After knowing this, we are going to know that how many kinds of adjectives. As we know, as in my live class I have taught you that there are 8 kinds of adjective. First is what? 8 kind of adjective. First is adjective of quality. So you have to know that what is adjective of quality. The word which express the quality of a person or thing is known as adjective of quality. That means the word which tells our quality, your quality, his quality, and quality of any other things, that is known as quality of a thing, and that is adjective of quality. So he is a kind, and in the example you are looking, he is a kind person. So what is kind? Kind is the quality of a person. You are looking at it. Kind is a quality of a person. After knowing the definition of adjective of quality, we have to know the second types of adjective, and that is adjective of quantity. So what is adjective of quantity? The word which tells or expresses the quantity of a thing is known as adjective of quantity. Quantity that means मात्रा, किसी भी चीज़ की मात्रा को जो बताता है, जो वर्ड बताए, that is adjective of quantity. You are looking in the example, there is little water in the glass. So little is expressing the quantity of water. वाटर की मात्रा को little बताता है. So adjective is what? Little. Little is the adjective word in this sentence. After knowing this, we have to know that what is adjective of number. Third one is adjective of number. And adjective of number has been divided into 2 types, into 2 kinds. First is the definite numeral adjective, and second is the indefinite numeral adjective. Indefinite numeral adjective. Okay. So we have to also know that what is definite numeral adjective and what is indefinite numeral adjective. Before going to know the definition of this definite and indefinite, we have to know that there are 2 parts of definite numeral adjective. First is cardinal number and second is ordinal number. In what is cardinal number? When we are expressing our number by saying 1, 2, that is cardinal number. And when we are expressing our number by saying first, second, third, that is ordinal number. So in the definite adjective, we are expressing the number by a definite number, sometimes by the cardinal and sometimes by the ordinal. So I think you have understood. Now we are going to know that the indefinite numeral adjective, the word which denotes number of some kind but does not exact. Some kind but does not exact. Does not exact means that is indefinite. We are in confusion. So it has been known as indefinite adjective. If you are saying there are many people in the field, you are looking in the example also, many people in the field. We can't say the definite number, we can't express by many the definite number of people in the field. So many is what? Many is what? Many is indefinite number. Okay? So after knowing this, the adjective of number, we have to know next one. And what is the next kind of adjective? That is the demonstrative adjective. The word, you are looking the example, the word by which there is expression of pointing out person or thing is known as demonstrative adjective. That means by the word we are pointing out a person or thing. That is demonstrative adjective. Like these, that, these, those is used to point out the subject or thing. When we are using the singular, then we are using this and that, and when we are going to express something in plural, then we are using that, these and those. So you are, in the example you are looking, this boy is lazy. We are indicating the boys by the word this. So this is the demonstrative adjective. You have understood? The rounded word is what? The these. So this is the demonstrative adjective. Okay? After knowing these all kinds of adjective, we have to know the order of adjective. We have to know order of adjective because our chapter is also related. By this topic, I have taught you before starting this topic the kinds of adjective and definition of adjective, because it was most important point to know. After that we can replace the order of adjective at their proper places. Whenever in a sentence there are many kinds of adjective like quality, color, then you have to learn in short form that you have QC. When there in a sentence quality and color, then at first we will put quality and after that color. Quality and after that color. You are looking in the example, there is a beautiful pink dress in the garment. So beautiful is what? Quality, and pink is what? Pink is what? Color. So by QC you can identify that at first you have to put quality and after that color. Second, size, material. If in a sentence there is size and material by the word, in short you can use SM. That means S for size or M for material. In the example you are looking, there is a small silver cup on the table. Small is the size and silver is the material. Next one is the size, shape and color. That means SSC. If these all adjectives are in a sentence, then you have to first write size and after that shape and after that color. In that, by the example you are looking, I have a big rectangular grey carpet. That means मेरे पास एक बड़ा रेक्टेंगुलर आयताकार और भूरे रंग का कारपेट है. तो इसमें हम लोग सबसे पहले साइज को रखेंगे, उसके बाद उसके डिजाइन को, तब उसके कलर को. दैट मीन्स बिग, रेक्टेंगुलर एंड ग्रे. आफ्टर दैट द लास्ट Last one is that opinion and color, that means OC. By OC you can better understand a smart blue dress, that means opinion क्या है smart and color is blue. So by OC you can put the order of adjective opinion, color. Okay, so I think that you have understood, and by the example, by the definition, you have better understand, and by knowing all these kind, you have to do exercise A of page number 27. That's all for today. Thank you everyone.